Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian Jackson. I am an author, publisher, and educator, having written a handful of books, published well over 100 books, most of them my wife's, and created 34 Udemy training courses. On this channel, we'll be discussing writing, self-publishing, and marketing your book. Before letting you go, I want to give you a tip. Notice when you're watching a video on YouTube, in the lower right-hand corner there's a gear, and if you click on it, it comes up with a little menu. One of the items is speed, and if I click on speed, I can select the speed at which I watch a video. If a video is going a little slow for you, I'm speaking a little slowly, knock it up to 2 times speed and you'll watch the video in half the time. I watch a lot of videos at 1.5 speed. So there's a tip on watching YouTube videos. If you like a video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like it. With that said, this is Brian Jackson, and I'll see you in the classroom.